The owner of laundry store spent $1,070 on supplies. He earned $3,480. The owner's profit is the amount he made after paying for supplies. Write a sum of integers that represents the owner's profit. So first we have that the owner of laundry store spent $1,070. Spend, the word spent, it means we have to write negative sign before this number, 1,070. Next, he earned, so we have plus because he earned 3,480. So we have to copy this number. And now we have to just add these two integers with different signs. We have negative and positive. So when we have negative and positive numbers, first we check which of these two numbers is greater. 3,000 is greater. Before 3,000 we have positive sign, so we can write positive sign, and in parentheses we will subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 3,480 minus 1,070. So this is equal, positive sign we copy, 3,480 minus 1,070. Let me do this subtraction. We have 3,480 minus 1,070. We have to keep ones in one column, tens in the same column, hundreds in the same column, and thousands in the same column. And now we start from the last column. 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 7 is 1, 4 minus 0 is 4, copy, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2,410. Positive sign we don't have to write, so we have 2,410. This is positive number, so the profit of the owner of laundry store will be $2,410. This is my solution.